Crime was 45% higher this January than last year. Individuals robbing a subway with guns and weapons.
I don't feel safe at all.
61 years old Debrina Kwam was set on fire.
We're not asking for much, we're asking for safety.
Officers patrolling train recovered 17 guns in 1 month.
An additional 250 more National Guard.
How is the experience of riding a subway in US versus China? Today I will show you one of the most beautiful subway stations in Shanghai, and we will also see that why riding a subway in China is different from riding a subway in USA. One difference between riding a subway in China versus USA is that whenever you enter a subway in USA, you're gonna see a lot of homeless people and everything is so dirty. And there's always something going on here in the subway. Look at this gold guy. And not only that, we have this vending machines. If you're feeling bored, you can enjoy the concert. If this place was in US, there would have been so many tents, so many homeless people in this area. But in China, that's the difference. That's the first difference when you ride a subway in US and when you ride a subway in China. In China, no homeless, no tents, no trash. Look here. You're not going to see anything here. And no graffitis on the wall. Look here. Alright, I got inside. Now, first of all, we have to pass this security check. So they're gonna check me and I have nothing to declare. And this is where we have, oh my goodness, look, the doors are open. The door is open, but still he paid money. Look, he scanned the phone or the card and he went inside. Look at them. They're scanning and then they're coming inside. Even though the doors are open. Look. In US, they just jump over this machine so they don't have to pay money and can go inside and take a ride. But in China, the doors are open. Look at this beautiful subway station. Oh my god. This looks like some sci-fi movie set. I think this one is those buildings in Shanghai, the Bund area. And on this side, I saw this one is Oriental Pearl Tower, that Shanghai Financial Trade Center, Jinmao Tower, and that one is Shanghai Tower. The situation in New York is so bad that they deployed national troops into the subway station.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Let's go downstairs. I got here. Look at the ceiling. Alright, so the next one is going to be here in 52 seconds. And I heard they're always on time. Let's see if it's going to be on time. Right, I'm here at the platform. Let's get inside this next metro and we're gonna see what we can find inside. What people are doing. Can you find any rats? Can you find someone who's dancing? Can we find someone who is singing, fighting, or sleeping? Any homeless? Anything. 20 seconds and it's already here. So let's get inside. So this is how it looks inside. People are not doing anything stupid. Everyone is sitting quietly. No rats, no people dancing, no people fighting, no homeless. This is how it looks inside. All the way to the end, it's gonna be like this. But in New York, alright, so here we have a place to charge our phone. See?
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with...
Alright, I have arrived here at the next stop.
可换乘9号线。出站的乘客请手持车票，依次通过闸机验票后出站。